Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a Sunday special facial with chia seeds. This is the first time I'm going to try using chia seeds for my face. So before we get started, before you start using the pack, please wash your face thoroughly, and for the face pack to be more effective, I would suggest you all to either steam after washing your face, or do a hot towel treatment for your face. Basically take some warm water, dip it in a turkey towel and place it on your face for about like 10 seconds in all the areas where there are pores, so that when you apply the pack and when you scrub it, the dirt also comes out. So, and most importantly, before we start with the video, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. So I've taken 2 spoons of chia seeds, then 2 spoons of curd, some turmeric, honey, and I've grinded the chia seeds, to make the application more easy. Then I'm adding the curd to the chia seeds. So then I'm adding the honey and the turmeric. I just kept it like, for 5 minutes. It became so thick. First step, always wash your face. So once I finish washing my face, I'm going to apply the pack. I've done the hot towel treatment. If you all want to know how to do the hot towel treatment or steaming or the full package of how to apply do the facial, please do watch out my other videos I've posted in my channel. And surprise, when I started applying the pack, it did not stick onto my skin. I was like so shocked, like why the hell is it not sticking, or it is not even like acting like a scrub or anything. It's like rubber. It's just coming off with my hand itself. I was so disappointed, I was so shocked, but I still did not give up. I still wanted to, at least, create a mask kind of thing and keep it on my face and see if it is really giving any effect, because I used curd, turmeric, honey and all. I really don't want to waste it. And I also wanted to show you guys that maybe sometimes if you apply the pack like me, it might not work. So still, let's not give up. Let's go ahead and just apply it like a mask on your cheeks and on your forehead where there are pores. So guys, I kind of it's not actually sticking onto the face, so I've actually kept it like a mask. Just created a kind of shield and made sure I have concentrated on my cheekbones and all where I have these blemishes. This is the first time I'm trying out this mask. It's pretty hard to apply it on the face itself, but I've somehow made it into like patch kind of thingy and just placed it on my skin. I'm confident this will work because I washed my face with warm water. We'll see how well this is coming out. Just remember, applying chia seeds on your face, extremely difficult. Maybe if you soak it overnight or for some time, it might work. But I just did it immediately. It's kind of a big fail, I guess. It's okay. Trying something new. So it's done. I don't have anything else. I've just literally applied on my cheeks and on my nose and thing. I'll wait for around like 15 minutes for it to dry it out. And then I'll go wash my face and show you all if it has come out well or there is no use in using this face pack. Okay. Everything doesn't have to be successful, guys. Some experiments fail. Then we'll learn from it. So we'll wait for 15 minutes and I will come back. So guys, 15 minutes is up and it has not dried, like I expected. So I'm just gonna wash it off and I will show you all how well the results have come. I think you shouldn't expect more. So guys, I washed my face. To be honest, it was a total waste of time for me. I don't know, maybe I applied it in the wrong way, or it's not suiting my skin, or basically chia seeds doesn't work this way, or there is some other way you have to use it. But I can tell this for sure, but when chia seeds are intaken, like soaked overnight, and you add it with water or any fruits and you intake it, it's basically very good for your health, for your digestion, for your skin health. So I'm going to continue taking chia seeds, like consuming it rather than just applying it on the face. I'm still going to post this video to show you all that it didn't absolutely work for me. This is the first time some face pack never worked for me. Usually I experiment a lot with whatever is in my kitchen. I am disappointed, but that's okay. Mistakes will be made. I will do more research on this, and I'll see like how to use chia seeds for your face, or is there any other way that I can use it on my face. Please watch the video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. And I know this video is not so informative, but I'm just saying that don't use chia seeds the way I used. Maybe try different ways and let me know if it is working for y'all. If y'all haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So until I meet y'all with another video, stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.